These are the portraits it made. The first portrait is this one. The second one, the second portrait, the third portrait, the fourth, and the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, and the eighth. These are the portraits it made by the AI model. To make the portrait face, we need to go to the GitHub repository of U2Net. This is the first link. The U2Net paper is this one, and for creating a portrait, we go down to this part for portrait generation. First we clone the repository. I did it before and it's over here in the U2Net repository. Here I download the U2Net portrait from Google Drive. So I download the portrait. So waiting to finish the downloading of portrait model. Portrait model is now downloaded and I put it into this U2Net folder, then saved models, U2Net portrait, and I put it here. Following this instruction here that says put it over here. After putting the U2Net portrait model into the U2Net portrait folder, then I put my custom images into the test data, U2Net test data, test portrait images, and portrait IM. These are my custom images. And after that, I run the script, U2Net portrait test. The result will be in the portrait result. It's running one by one. These are the portraits that it made. The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. If you give it a better image, higher quality image, like these images here, they are in high quality images. After running the model, the portrait results will be these images, and they have the high quality portrait results. This is the last one. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please like, share and comment below. Also, if you have any idea to see next on my YouTube channel, please comment it below. Thanks. Bye.